Hello again. Welcome to my third day in our Do Math at Home series, as I just decided to call it right now. So today we're going to do another activity from Math Before Bed. Again, that's that free website that you can access right now digitally and use at home, or bring it back to school, use over the summer, whatever you want. It comes from www.mathbeforebed.com. So last video, we looked at some of the 180-day exercises in the number sense and numeracy section. Today, we're going to look at patterns. Okay, starting in pre-K, students learn about patterns, and as you get older, the patterns get a little more intense. But you can use skills from what you learned in earlier grades to help you with patterns in the older grades. So just like the last video, we're going to look at a few pictures, 3 different ones, okay, and we're going to ask you questions about the patterns. So our first one is about cherries. Okay, it asks, how many cherries could be in the 4th pile, and how do you know?
Press pause so you can think about it, and then press play when you're ready to check.
Let's discuss. How many cherries do you think will be in the 4th pile? Well, let's see. We have 1 in the 1st pile, and then 4 in the 2nd pile. That's an increase of 3. We have 7 in the 3rd pile, and to go from 4 to 7 is another increase of 3. Therefore, after our pile of 7, we'll have to increase by 3 again. 7 plus 3 equals 10. The 4th pile should have 10 cherries. Okay, ready for our next one. Our next one might be for some of our younger friends. Okay, it has a picture. It says, which picture should replace the question mark to match the pattern? Looks like we have 2 schoolgirls and then 1 schoolboy. What picture should replace that question mark? Let's check. So this is what's known as an AAB pattern. We have 2 of the first picture and then 1 of the second picture, and then it goes back to the first 2 and then again to the second one. So if we follow the pattern, AAB, AAB, A, this next one should be A. It should be the little girl. Challenge yourself to see what other AAB patterns that you can come up with. You could draw pictures in an AAB pattern. You could arrange objects in your house in an AAB pattern, or you could even make music to make an AAB pattern, such as right there. That's an AAB pattern. It's that simple. And our final picture gets a little trickier. This pattern of numbers is out of order. Put them back in order. 1 number is missing. What could it be? Okay, let's check. First, we don't know what our mystery number is. So let's go ahead and put the rest of them in order.
Okay, so we have 6, and then 10, and then 14 in order going from least to greatest. So let's think, what's the pattern between 6, 10, and 14? It's a numerical pattern since these are numbers, and the numbers are going up as you go from left to right. So we might be multiplying, we might be adding. Let's see, 6 times no whole number equals 10. So let's try adding. 6 plus 4 equals 10. And let's see, 10 plus 4 also equals 14. So our pattern is plus 4. Now, our mystery number can really go on either side since we don't know the value of the mystery number. If we put it to the right of 14, and then we add 4 onto 14, we will get 18 for our mystery number. But we could also put our mystery number to the left of the rest of our pattern. We could put it to the left of 6. This number would be smaller than 6. It would actually be 4 smaller than 6. So think backwards. What number plus 4 equals 6? That number would be 2. Whether you got 2 or 18, your answer is still correct. Like we said, with a lot of these patterns questions, there might be more than one right answer.
And that's it. So again, today I showed you 3 pattern questions, and you can feel free to make up your own and share with a family or a friend. Patterns are all around us, and if you don't see any, create your own through drawing. Miss Freeman would love that. Well, that's it for today. I miss you all. I wish you well. See you tomorrow.